Hello everyone, this is Patience of Renago Technologies. So I want to show you how to copy text and numbers from pictures and paste in an Excel sheet or any document at all, maybe Word, PowerPoint, any document you have. So let's just do an example. So if I have a picture, somebody sends me a picture and that's how all they have, maybe a report or anything like that. For this one, we'll just use this picture. This is the picture. You can see the picture format. I can, you can see it's a picture. Okay, so what I want to do is I want these names, I want to type these names and I don't want to type in manually, and all I have is just a picture format. Okay, like I said, it could be a weekly report or anything, and maybe let's just say it's a picture format you have and you need that information. You don't want to write it or start typing it one after the other. So what we need to do is we can make use of a tool, a Microsoft Office app called Microsoft OneNote. It's a very great tool. It's a note-taking app for organizing information. It does a lot. You can check it out. And it comes bundled for free with Windows 10. Okay, so I have it opened already. And the Microsoft OneNote has the OCR, called optical character recognition feature, which helps in converting this picture to text information in which you can edit. So let's start. So what I'll do is I'll copy the picture. I'll copy it. Then I'll open my Microsoft OneNote and just paste anywhere, and I paste it. Okay, so after pasting, I'll click on it again, right click, and I say copy text. Don't click copy, just say copy text from picture. You see, I click on copy text from picture, then come back to my Excel sheet or any document you want to paste it. Then I come where I want to paste it and I just right click. So it's on me, click on paste special, not just paste, because you paste the picture back. So you click on paste special and pick text and say okay. Can you see? Now I can edit. Sometimes when you do like that, you might just need to edit a few things. Like this shot, like you can see there's excess space, so I can just delete that. So you see I can edit the information, do whatever, and without me typing, I can type inside. Can you see? So I can type inside. So it's just a fast way to copy pictures, copy text, numbers from pictures. Easy, so you can edit without you typing. Okay, it's a powerful tool. Have a nice day. Please share, comment, tag your friends. Take care. Bye.